Welcome to the Hilton Hotel at Munich Airport. When you first walk in, you've got the bathroom to your right. In here, you've got a light grey and black colour scheme. You've got the shower that you can walk in with a gradual gradient that ensures that the water won't spill everywhere. In the bathroom, you've got a waterfall shower head, as well as a detachable handheld shower head, handrail, water temperatures, as well as your shampoo, conditioner and body wash. In the main area of the bathroom, you've got a round circular sink. It is quite deep, which hopefully will reduce splashes. You've got some amenities, the mirror, the enlarged mirror. Nice large mirror here, looks pretty good, good lighting. Behind the door is where you'll find the toilet. It's really tucked in behind. 2 hooks behind the door as well. As we continue out of the bathroom, we've got the 2 cupboards. In here, you've got an ironing board, 2 paper bags, safe, as well as some drawers, iron and ironing board as well as 2 pairs of slippers. Might need that when we head to the pool later. Ooh, full-length mirror, very handy, always good for a quick outfit check. Over here we've got the mini bar. Let's have a look in here. Fully stocked mini bar for your convenience. Those Haribo bears look pretty good to me. Under here, was it Hilton that we had problems with the glasses last time? Hilton glasses, find them very oddly packed. 2 mugs, a kettle. Over here we've also got some teas, coffee, sugar, syrups ready for your coffee needs. Let's come through to the main room. In here we've got the 2 double beds. Now there's only 2 of us staying in this room, so I look forward to having a double bed all to myself. Both beds have a great view of the TV, lots of luggage storage space. Wow, look at this glass backboard. How gorgeous is that? You've got some sort of mountains, but could also be doubled as a lion chasing a kangaroo with an orangutan. Could double up as that. You've also got this nice round table here with chairs. You've got a USB-A, USB-C, as well as 2 European power points over here. Controls for the lamp. Pretty good space. I'm enjoying this little area. Over here, you've got another side table with more USB-A and C points, a pen and notepad, lamp, and telephone as well. Let's have a look at our view. Wow. Look at these stunning hedges out here. Very foggy and cloudy day today, actually. Very grey. All right, let's go check out the air conditioner vent. As we walk down to the opposite end of the room, you'll see the panel. Looks like it's touchscreen. Yeah. So it's currently set to 21 degrees, nice and toasty. You've got the air conditioner vent. That looks pretty clean to me from down here. Looks pretty good. Excellent. I'm really pleased with this room. I think carpets look good. Yeah, carpets look really clean. Again, a nice carpet design that hides marks. Because you've got that pattern, it really does a good job of disguising any marks that are on the ground. Oh, and one secret thing I forgot to show you. This little thing here is a little night light, and you can twist it for night reading. Now we've got 2 rooms that are interconnecting. So the interconnecting door is down here. What we have noticed is there's a little bit of congestion between the interconnecting door and the front door. In here, okay, you have to get that other person to open it. In here, we've got the second room that interconnects. So it's an exact same replica. Well, there you go. That was a room tour of the Hilton Hotel here at Munich Airport.